Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reduce transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, tap on Accessibility, so we go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. Then go down and tap on Reduce Transparency. Now make sure the toggle button is switched on. Once you turn this on, the phone will improve the contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.